Set the scene for a season of family gatherings and warm homecomings with fall kitchen decor exclusively from Hobby Lobby. Incorporate seasonal accents that keep your counter space functional, like canisters and tiered trays to hold all of your home-baked goodies. The island is the perfect place to set the tone for your decor. It's the hub of your kitchen, so use the space to radiate warmth with natural colors and plenty of harvest time florals. Set out cozy mugs, rustic trays, and delicious homemade toppings for a perfect apple cider bar. It's a simple, relaxed way to serve up festive refreshments. Already have a set of dishes you love? Get your existing plates ready for fall by mixing in fresh seasonal elements. It's all about sharing old memories and creating new ones. Elevate your meal with beautiful tableware and centerpieces that make settling in for Thanksgiving feel even more special. Try switching up your table decor to suit different events and styles. Whether you're enjoying dinner with family or celebrating Friendsgiving, Hobby Lobby is here for all of your special moments this season. So you can celebrate autumn with an open heart and an open door. For more inspiration, subscribe to Hobby Lobby's YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we add new videos. We can't wait to help you live a creative life.